guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aishwarya and today's video I'm going to show you how did I recreate Deepika Padukone's Met Gala look 2019. So if you want to know how I got it, so do watch this video till end. So guys, for the primer I'm going to use this aloe vera gel and HR primer, and I'm going to mix this both together and apply to my face.
Wow!
I'm going to use this Lakme Perfecting Liquid Foundation in shade Natural Coral, reddish to dusky skin. Applying concealer, I'm going to do my eyebrows, and for this I'm going to use this brown shade from the Cameleon palette. Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade 25 Medium. Base with help of this Lakme Rose Powder in shade 01 Soft Pink. First I'm going to use this shade from the Cameleon palette. From the Miss Gold palette. I'm going to use this pink shade from the Miss Gold palette.
Wow!
Trying to add some glitter, I'm going to use this Ultra Shiny from S.F.R Girl. I'm going to use first this shade. This shade. I'm going to use this shade. I'm going to use this eyeshadow, this white eyeshadow for my inner corners. Maybelline the Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. Put on my eyelashes, and now I'm going to use this pink shade from the S.F.R color palette as blush. I'm going to use this shade as an highlighter. I'm going to use the 7 Heaven lipstick in shade Deep Maroon. This video, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your family and friends, and do let me know in the comment section below that what you think about this look. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification of my every new video. See you next time. Bye.